Hi there! Before we begin taking attendance, here's something you should know. Normally, attendance is handled by teachers assigned by the admin. But if you're a personal user, that rule doesn't apply. By default, all features in this app are unlocked and available to use if you're the administrator. Now, before taking attendance, make sure you've already set up your class data, subjects, and student list. This app offers two types of attendance: daily attendance and session-based attendance, which is linked to scheduled subjects. You can take attendance in two ways: manually or by scanning a barcode on the student's ID card. You can find and download the ID card from each student's detail page. In this video, I'll show you how to take daily attendance for a class. First, tap on the class menu. Then, select the class you want to take attendance for. Next, tap the Take Attendance button. Now choose Daily Attendance. The app will display the attendance screen with a list of students in that class. You can select a specific date for the attendance. If you don't choose a date, the app will automatically use today's date. Then, mark each student's attendance one by one, or simply tap the Mark All Present button to save time. Here's what the attendance codes mean: P for present, L for on leave, S for sick leave, A for absent, H for half day. Once you're done, tap the Save button to record the attendance. You can always edit or delete attendance records later if needed. To view attendance reports, tap Back, then scroll down and select the Attendance option under History. All saved attendance data will appear here, and you can even download the report in Excel format. We designed the report to be clear, informative, and easy to read, so you can quickly analyze student attendance patterns anytime you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials to get the most out of this app. See you next time.